Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Ladies Coin, its price prediction this year, Mega Balloon, because friends, this is another best meme coin, and this meme coin has potential to kill at least three zeros here. Current price is 7 zeros. You can see friends, it is 7 times 0 for $7. Right now its market cap is 42 million. But this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin, and we can see its new all-time high maybe soon because right now entire crypto market is again bullish. Meme coin stays are big here, so it's possible that we can see ladies coin break its all-time high and make a new all-time high in short term, and in long term it's possible that we can see ladies to kill at least three zeros here because friends, you can see still Binance Coinbase listing left for this coin. Gate.io, BitGet, these some central exchanges has already listed this coin, but in this year, maybe it's possible that this meme coin can be next listing for all other tier 1 central exchanges. I will share all further details here, so you have just for the complete here. Ladies current price has been $7.047. Last 30 days performance curve friends exceed 57% pump last 30 days. And for $2 million market cap right now, market cap is good. $5.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And this is no doubt friends good 888 trillion coin supply and all the circulation. Ethereum ecosystem coin after that launched on Arbitrum also. But it's Ethereum meme coin DWF left portfolio investing here is still we are 88% down than its all-time high. They were 1 year ago. Friends, you see 88% down than its all-time high. Coin already killed 3 zeros since its launching. These some central exchanges already list this coin. KuCoin has listed, CoinX is listed, Crypto.com. So these some base central exchange listing already for this coin. If not have KuCoin and CoinX exchange account it, I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. You can join both central exchanges where you can get all newly launched base meme coins. Okay, so you can check out both central exchanges link in description already. For further details, you can also check out their website. You can see friends, they have mentioned the central exchanges where this coin is listed. Also dexes, you can see okay, Uniswap, FunInch, and some Arbitrum dexes also. All other information provide here, airdrop cram period ended, and some other information that how you can buy this coin from taxes just like Uniswap. Okay, you must have some Ethereum in your wallet. After that you can buy this coin. You can see friends, 888 trillion tokens supply and 94% token in liquidity pool. This is good. 1% token airdrop to all Pepe holders and Melody NFT holders, and 5% remaining supply. Okay, that is in a wallet for future central exchange listings. Okay, because it still, as I already told you, that this coin is still not listed on many tier 1 central exchanges just like Binance, Coinbase. Kraken has still no list ladies coin, so it's 5% supply is for central exchange listings. This is good. 1% airdrop, and this is tokenomics. So friends, our tokenomics is good. Phase 1 is almost complete. Phase 2 almost complete. Phase 3 still remains, and you can also contact their team also. 25,755 holders for ladies. This is good. Number of holders good. These are the top holders of this coin. You can see friends, number one wallet has 24% supply. Bybit exchange has 16.7% of supply. Current worth about $7 million. Bybit is a central exchange. Crypto.com, another central exchange holding 8% supply. Get.io, BitGet, and MEX exchange holding 5, 3, and 2% of supply. Some other central exchanges, you can see friends, Hobby Global, and it's 0.9% supply is burned. Burnings are very low. Okay, this must be more burnings. At least it's 10 to 20% supply must be burned. But its burnings are low. But it's good friends. Overall tokens looking good. You can see out of 50, I think 25 or more than 25 wallets are central exchanges wallets, so no any value issue looking here. Coin is looking good. And friends, I'm already holding this coin on KuCoin exchange. I buy this coin I think about 8 to 9 months ago, and I'm going to hold this coin until this coin reach $1 billion market cap here. I'm not going to sell ladies at the low profit, because I can see current market cap is just 42 million. But I think ladies has potential to be the next $3 to $5 billion market cap coin. It's really possible that we can see ladies coin around $3 to $5 billion market cap in this year super cycle meme coins mega balloon, because it's still lots of central exchange listing left for this coin, and maybe Binance can also one of them also, because this is a new meme coin also going to fast its first mega bullion this year. So it's possible the ladies can be the next $3 to $5 billion market coin. My friends, you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrency updates. Here you can see, okay, my videos information, so link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel.